Alright guys, so working on 2014 Honda Accord, and we're just going to show you how to easily replace these bulbs. Pretty much, imagine these are your stock bulbs. You just twist them off, or you can actually go through here to the back as well. And turn it, and that's how it comes out. Okay, on the OEM bulbs, the actual main harness, it's a push clip. You push it in, push it down, and it allows you to twist your bulb. Okay, so on these ones we have the H11s. So to put it back in, same thing. And there you go, and it's done. If you can light it up real quick. There you go. And you're going to do the same procedure for the passenger side. If you have any questions, please let us know and we'll help you out, okay? Thanks.